This isn't just a song, it's a soundtrack for barbecues, road trips and lazy days. That laid back rhythm and skiffle groove, we're dialing it in today with In the Summertime by Mungo Jerry. I'll show you an easy way to play it and then we'll add in that classic bounce and the riff, 3 chords and some sunshine. Let's build the foundation first. The easier strum and the 12-bar rhythm in E. The 3 chords we need for the entire song are E, A and B7. Really getting into the foundations of the rhythm, muting the strings to begin with the fretting hand. We have a down, down, up, down, down rhythm. Keep your wrists loose, let it swing, it's nice and laid back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here's the 12-bar structure, bringing it up on the screen so you can follow along. Start on the E for 4 bars. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Move to A for 2 bars. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Back to E for 2 bars. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. B7 for 1 bar. Down, down, up, down, down. A for 1 bar. E for 2 bars. Now play along with me, keep your hand moving, even if you miss a chord. This is slightly slower than the actual recording. It's all about keeping that feel. 1, 2, 3. In the summertime, you can stretch right up when the weather's fine. Have a drink, have a drive. This 12-bar repeats for the entire song. It's a great way to lock in your rhythm and enjoy the ride. We're going to turn up this rhythm now, tapping into that skiffle groove by adding a bit of muting. Let's add some bounce. This is where the song really gets its feel. Using just the E chord, we're going to build it up in layers. So the first part, this to get used to first is playing the down strum on the low strings, the bass strings. So 6, 5 and 4 strings or 6 and 5 strings, and then the up down on the thin strings, so strings 1, 2 and 3. You can hear the difference. The beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Adding in the muting now, using the palm or the side of the palm of the strumming hand, we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When we play the up, it's got a kind of a slight rake to it. There's a slight delay on that strum. So it's not quite as straight as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's a great way to build it up, but we want to put a slight delay on the up strum. That's the bounce we're after. Light touches with the pick, nothing too heavy. This is a chilled summer cruiser. So playing through that whole 12-bar sequence we did in the previous section, but with the muted strumming a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit quicker, play along now. 1, 2, 3. In the summertime, stretch right up when the weather is fine. Have a drink, have a drive. That is your barbecue loop right there. Just keep it going and enjoy. Part 3, the iconic melody line. This is an upbeat, quirky melody line that ties it all together. It's cheeky, it's melodic, and it's instantly recognisable. This plays alongside the 12-bar chords. As it repeats throughout the song, there are a few variations of certain sections of it, but what we're doing today captures the core vibe, and once you get to know it, you can start to tweak little bits yourself as you hear the differences. Breaking this down into sections, we play 4th fret G string, 6th fret G string, 5th fret B string, so that's index finger, ring finger, middle finger. We return back to the 4th fret of the G, 4, 6, 6 with the index and the ring finger again. Back to fret 4, we jump up to the D string, middle finger, fret 5, and then hammer on to the ring finger, fret 6. And I'm using my pinky to jump up to that A string and play fret 7. That section repeats. You are welcome to use different fingers to play that with on your fretting hand. I choose these for positioning and best practice. The next part is a little triangular sequence. We have the middle finger 6th fret G string, index finger 5th fret B string, and ring finger plays 7th fret B string. We play G string first, B string second, so that's 6, 5 in the frets. So that's the lead into the section, and then we have groups of 3. So we're going 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5. And then we jump back to the original melody line. Jumping up to a B major triad, we have index finger flat on fret 7 of the E and the B strings, strings 1 and strings 2, and the middle finger holding down the 8th fret of the G string. And the rhythm we play, move down to the 5th fret and the 6th fret to play the A major, and then finish on the original melody. A slowed down version. 1, 2, 3. quicker. 1, 2, 3. Now for the fun part, we're going to combine the chords and the riff. So here is one time round the 12 bar section, playing the chord rhythm and the riff. In the summertime, you can shine brighter when the weather is fine. Have a drink, have a drive. You can use that riff as an intro to drop in and play it. You can play it throughout if you're jamming with somebody else. The beauty of this song is it's loose, it's upbeat, and it's fun. In this lesson, I show you how to play La Bamba by Richie Valens. I will see you next time.